And now from Ladakh to India's national capital, where there are problems here as well. A civic mess in the national capital after heavy rains lashed Delhi for the last couple of days. Now, I'm going to take you straight to the heart of VVIP Delhi, not some obscure part. The heart of VVIP Delhi, called Ashoka Road, caved in today after 3 hours of heavy rainfall this morning. Can you believe it? That's the condition of a road in the heart of VV. You remember these dramatic images that went viral not just in India but around the world, of a house collapsing in a slum area of Anna Nagar, again in central Delhi. On the same day, a bus was also found familiarly stuck under the infamous Minto Road railway bridge, a site that has become an inalienable part of monsoons in Delhi. These images, horrifying as they are from our national capital. Let's go straight across to India today. Is Aishwarya Paliwal with us live on the devastation in Delhi. Aishwarya, this sinkhole that's appeared out of nowhere on Ashoka Road, is only the latest shocker. We've seen images like this happening elsewhere, and I see that sinkhole right behind you.
Is unbelievable. That's the one word which people here are using. As you can see, the road has actually caved in, and this is Ashoka Road. It's right in the heart of Delhi. Let me tell you, the reason why we are standing a little away from where the actual hole is because those who are close by, the authorities believe that there is a chance that the adjoining area could also sink in any moment. Let me in fact show you the kind of barricading which has been done. This entire area has now been barricaded. The reason why it has been barricaded is because the police believes that there are high chances that the other part of the road could also sink in, and it is a really deep hole, as you can see from there. Let me also tell you that the tree which is standing right there has also been tied up. Can you see the yellow line there, Shiv?
Yes.
You know, there has been a rope which has been tied to the other trees because the authorities feel there is a chance that this tree could also fall any moment now. So the big question now is, what is happening to the national capital? A pretty big hole there, and chances of the size of this cave-in increasing and also the tree falling are very high at the moment, Shiv.
You know, it's incredible, Aishwarya, that, people who are watching these images, and I hope you're being careful and you're not too close to that actual sinkhole, like the authorities are rightly pointing out, anything can cave in, but people everywhere watching these images in Delhi will be wondering, Aishwarya, that if that sinkhole behind you could happen in Ashoka Road, and you and I both know that it doesn't get more plush, it doesn't get more posh and VVIP than Ashoka Road, something like this could happen elsewhere, anywhere in the capital.
Well, definitely, Shiv, and that is the big question, because if something like this could happen on a road like Ashoka Road, a lot of ministers in fact stay here,
yes,
then a lot more can happen. See, I can show you, now is the time when the authorities have actually woken up. Now they are doing their level best to make sure that some kind of rectification can be done. And now you see the JCB here.
Yes.
It has come almost 2 hours after the hole appeared here on this very prominent road, and now people are here to make sure that they can remove the debris from the hole and it can be rectified. But yes, the bigger question is, as you can see, these people are trying to move us from here because they feel there are very high chances, Shiv, of the other part of the road also sinking in any moment now. These are the visuals which we are showing you at the moment. Live here from Ashoka Road, finally the JCB has arrived and work has begun. But how much time will it take is something which we'll have to wait to see, Shiv.
We're going to stay with these live images, Aishwarya, as long as you can stay with them. Aishwarya Paliwal reporting that that earth-moving equipment has just arrived now, and that big sinkhole right behind. Let's stay with those live pictures. Can we stay with those live pictures of Aishwarya, please? Let's stay with those live pictures of Aishwarya. Let's show Aishwarya, a reporter who's right there on site with the JCB there. There you go. These are live pictures coming in from Delhi's Ashoka Road of that earth-moving equipment, bulldozer, trying to fix that enormous sinkhole that appeared out of nowhere. These are live pictures, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the heart of the national capital in VIP Delhi. Aishwarya, Thank you for getting us these images.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.